A customer top rated item here is this amazing, beautiful beaded runner. This runner is so special.
Gorgeous.
What you're looking at it here on the table is, well, it might be a little buried here. Maybe we'll move some things around so you can see. But I can tell you right now that a table runner sets the foundation for all of your decorative needs.
Sure does.
And this is how you start, and then you're able to layer on top of all of your beautiful pieces here. So we've got some amazing different colors to show you here.
Pretty.
So let's take a look at them over here.
Sure, absolutely.
We also have the mats that we're going to talk about in just a moment, but we're giving some love to the runner. So right here is, let's just take these off. Yes, perfect. This one is your garden. So lovely.
Look how gorgeous that is.
Look at all of those critters.
All done by hand, all the seed pearls with the glitter, even like the ladybug, every single bead in there was placed by hand.
That's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable.
Thousands of beads in here. We also have it in the romance.
Love the hearts.
Love the hearts. 150 in this beautiful romance and the hearts. And last but not least, the patriotic, which is so special.
Yeah,
I love this.
Is like, so I just want to let everybody know, these are the final orders on these for the year.
Yes.
What we have is what we have.
So hurry, hurry. So I just wanted to point out too, this satin backing.
Isn't that gorgeous?
That's also on the back side of all of this beadwork. So not just for the dining room table, maybe it's on the piano.
Absolutely.
Maybe
coffee table.
On the coffee table, exactly.
Yeah, I love it.
Really so pretty. I can't believe that it's hand beaded.
It's
thousands and thousands of beads.
Absolutely, and I'm actually going to move, I agree with you, I'm going to move a few of these things aside just so you can really understand. First of all, a runner grounds a table. Right?
It does.
This is the centerpiece, and you start building around it. So this is the first thing that you're going to put on. And then I want to show you all the different colors right here. So this is the garden one, and it's going to have our hummingbird, which is right here, and our ladybug and the dragonfly. But this is all the glitter seed pearls that are there. And I was telling Steve, you know, we could have done this in a straight rectangle.
Yeah.
It would have been much more cost effective. But no, we did the figural to give you depth, dimension to your table, and you never have to take this off. Like this could be your summer runner, if you will.
Oh, truly.
Right?
Yes. I mean, literally, if this is the only thing on your table too,
gorgeous.
I mean, you're all set. It's beautiful. Look at every single one of those beads in there. You can see it.
You can.
And even to create those 6-dot flowers that you love so much.
Yes.
Just beautiful.
Absolutely stunning. If anything spills on here, you're just going to wipe it clean. And I do love what you said. I'm just going to tip this back. This is how you know quality. My grandmother taught me so many great things, but she said when you look at a linen, always look at the underside of it. You'll understand if it was well made.
Oh, interesting.
Beautiful satin lining right there that is bound on the edges. You don't see any fraying, right? You don't see any threads coming out. That's what quality is. And then when you start to see how thick this is, like right along here.
Oh, it's perfect.
It's amazing. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. And this is where you can see the craftsmanship of every single pearl and bead done by hand.
That's amazing.
There should be a 1 in front of that price.
I mean, honestly, truly, but no, you're getting it for $41.23, 5 easy payments of $8.25. A customer top rated item here. Absolutely beautiful. This is the final quantities of the year. And as you can see right here, what we have here with Lisa, this is your patriotic design. So what we have is what we have left.
This is it.
This is it. So you certainly want to hurry on this one. Look at all those beautiful fireworks. And all of those beautiful designs.
Sure.
And all of that beadwork.
Yeah.
And I mean, there's some weight to it.
This is not going to blow away. If you want to put it on an outside table, go for it. And again, the beautiful backing right there. But it's a really nice size. The other thing I love is you can still fit your plates on either side of it. It's not too wide.
Exactly, which is so important.
Right?
So perfect.
Yes.
So something to go along with these beautiful table runners are these beautiful